Hi, my name's Abby. This is my sister Rebecca. Welcome to Test Kitchen on Cooking with Abby. Today we're going to try our dragon fruit that my dad cut earlier. First, my dad cut it in half. Then, using a spoon, he cut out the flesh. Then he made sure to remove any of the skin that came off on the fruit. After that, he cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then using the skin, he made a little bowl.
All right, guys, dragon fruit, let's do this. Sweet, sour, bitter?
Sweet.
Sweet, not like your dad. Your dad's pretty bitter.
No, he's sweet.
Oh.
It's like slimy.
Slimy, but sweet.
Smushy.
Smushy, cool. Like any other fruits? Like a banana? No?
Well, it's like firm like a banana and then it sort of goes soft, but a banana almost always stays hard.
I feel like it has a texture like a strawberry, like on the
With the
inside.
seeds.
Interesting, the seeds in there. Cool. So is this a repeat order? Would we eat this again?
Yes.
Yes.
You know, I've been looking at these fruits in the grocery store for decades and always wanted to buy them, but never have. And I think I will buy them from now on. You guys want them in your lunches, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos. Bye.